ก็ยึดโรจักก็ยึดจ่อในขนมโครงการระบอบกระทรวงศึกษาธิการมาเลเซียให้ก้อนบานไปเจ้าเอาไว้แต่ก้อนบานไปเจ้าแค่นี้คือจะตั้งได้ยืมบานปีประเทศมาเลเซียจังประตอพิบาลก็คือยืมหมอ process ในขนมประเทศกัมพูชีว่ายืมประตอเตียนจังดำเนินการใน process คือยืมปลายปีจังปัจจุบันนี้คือการสำรัจก็คือยืมโรจัม process ในขนมประเทศกัมพูชีในเป็นอะไรฉบับ process ในขนมดำเนินการในการส่งประเภทเอาสบราณไปยืนในขนมประเทศกัมพูชีหรือร้อยยืนตัดเชียร์รูปเพิ่มในขนมการเพื่อที่สร้างการแต่งงานชิมบุญ
Normally, in 1 year, nearly 500 company will apply factory. I mean 500 factory, not company. 500 will apply to get traditional medicine license from the ministry in Malaysia. But do you know what is the quotation for 1 year? Only 10 company allowed. That means only 10 company, 10 factory. They check, they see everything okay, and the minister will give permission or permit to operate as a traditional medicine factory.
បាទគាត់បានបញ្ជាក់នៅម៉ាឡេស៊ីកាលពីឆ្នាំមុនមានរោងចក្រដែលដាក់ស្នើសុំខ្លាយខ្លួនធ្វើជារោងចក្រដែលផលិតជាtraditional medicine ចំនួន500រោងចក្រនៅក្នុង500រោងចក្រហ្នឹងគឺមានតែ10រោងចក្រតែប៉ុណ្ណោះដែលក្រសួងសុខាភិបាលម៉ាឡេស៊ីអនុញ្ញាតច្បាស់ឲ្យផលិតជា traditional medicine បាន
Because Malaysia standard is very high until it beat all the standard in the international. That's why they only give the license for the selected factory only to become a traditional medicine producer.
បាទដោយសារតែបទដ្ឋានរបស់ក្រសួងសុខាភិបាលម៉ាឡេស៊ីគឺខ្ពស់មែនទែនសម្រាប់ traditional medicine អញ្ចឹងដើម្បីឲ្យ apply ជាប់បទដ្ឋានគឺតរតែការពិនិត្យមើលល្អៗពីក្រសួងសុខាភិបាលម៉ាឡេស៊ីហើយពិតជារំភើបទៅពេលដែលក្នុងចំណោម10ហ្នឹងក៏យើងមាន Newtrick រោងចក្ររបស់ Newtrick យើងមួយដែរដែលបានជាប់នៅក្នុងក្រសួងសុខាភិបាលម៉ាឡេស៊ី
So you should be very proud. Know what? Because no any MLM company managed to get this opportunity. They try apply but rejected lah. Rejected. But only our product and our own factory managed to get this status, and our product is finally get the recognition. This is what we wanted, and I hope you have many things to share to your leaders, to your client, about our new upgrade of our product, also the status of the company, and it will continue to bring a good business for you.
បាទអញ្ចឹងគឺសម្រាប់ក្នុងនាមយើងជាថ្នាក់ដឹកនាំគឺយើងទទួលបាននូវព័ត៌មានថ្មីនេះសូមបន្តនូវព័ត៌មានដែលយើងបានទទួលបានចំណុចល្អៗជូនទៅដល់ថ្នាក់ដឹកនាំខាងក្រោមរបស់យើងហើយជូនទៅដល់ដៃគូរបស់យើងចំណុចដែលពិសេសគឺការបន្ថែម upgrade ទៅលើផលិតផលរបស់ Newtrick របស់យើងនេះដើម្បីឲ្យដៃគូរបស់យើងគាត់ទទួលបាននៅព័ត៌មានគាត់ទទួលបាននូវភាពជឿជាក់កាន់តែខ្លាំងឡើងហើយគាត់សាទរយើងសាទរនៅអ្វីដែលយើងបានខិតខំប្រឹងប្រែងនៅក្នុងពេលនេះ
So we can achieve anything very in the hard work, but we also need to sustain that and maintain that. Last year we have a very good report and record with our sales. I hope after this, with all this announcement, we can beat that report and record from the last year and continue to produce a